ChatGPT is more than a chatbot, it can be your ticket to real income in 2025. People everywhere are turning it into a money-making machine, and you can too starting today. Like the video and subscribe so you do not miss these powerful strategies. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create systems that pay daily. Let us get started and turn smart tech into smart cash. 1. Learn the basics of ChatGPT. Understanding how ChatGPT works is the first step to making it profitable for you. It is a tool that generates text ideas and strategies based on your instructions given. In 2025, businesses need fast solutions, which makes AI-powered services high in demand. Start by exploring prompts for writing, marketing, and content creation across industries. The more you practice crafting effective prompts, the better the results you will achieve. Use ChatGPT as your assistant to brainstorm ideas and automate repetitive daily tasks. You do not need coding skills to use it, but creativity and clarity make it more powerful. Treat it as a partner that multiplies your efforts rather than a magic instant solution. Mastering its basics turns it from a chatbot into a real source of consistent income. 2. Offer content creation services. ChatGPT can help you write articles, blogs, and add copy faster than manual methods today. Businesses pay well for bulk content that is optimized for social media and websites. Package services like 10 blog posts or 30 captions per month for recurring client income. Edit and refine AI outputs to make them unique and match each brand's voice and tone. Adding research and visuals makes your work more professional and valuable to buyers. Sell these services on freelancing sites or pitch directly to small businesses worldwide. With a few steady clients, you can reach hundreds daily without heavy time investment. Content creation with ChatGPT lets you scale because you can produce at higher speed. This is one of the fastest ways to monetize AI skills without upfront investment at all. 3. Create and sell digital products. Digital products built with ChatGPT are a smart way to earn passive income in 2025. You can create ebooks, guides, templates, and course scripts in days instead of months. Popular niches like health, finance, and self-improvement are always in high demand online. Once published, these products can be sold repeatedly without extra production costs. Market them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own landing page for higher profits. Bundle multiple products together to increase perceived value and boost daily earnings. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and polish content for each audience. This model allows you to earn while you sleep as products keep selling automatically. It is scalable because new products can be created quickly to grow your online store. 4. Build AI-powered services for businesses. Companies are searching for AI consultants to help integrate tools like ChatGPT into work. Offer services like chatbot creation, email automation, or personalized marketing scripts. You can charge setup fees and recurring retainers for managing these systems monthly. Most businesses do not have time to learn AI, but are willing to pay for done-for-you setups. Leverage tutorials to learn workflows, then use ChatGPT to create tailored solutions fast. As you gain experience, you can expand into training programs or group consulting sessions. 1 or 2 clients at premium pricing can help you reach significant daily income easily. Position yourself as someone who helps businesses save time and increase revenue now. This market is growing fast, and early adopters of AI services are building strong brands. 5. Start a faceless YouTube channel. ChatGPT can write scripts for videos, while AI tools create voiceovers and visual content. This lets you build YouTube channels without showing your face or recording yourself. Niches like finance, tech, motivation, and tutorials perform well with this automation style. Once monetized, you earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships over time passively. Batch create multiple videos weekly to grow faster while using AI for speed and scale. As views grow, even a small channel can generate hundreds daily through multiple streams. ChatGPT can also help with titles, descriptions, and community engagement strategies. Over months, you build a digital asset that continues to earn without heavy involvement. This method combines creativity, automation, and consistency for long-term cash flow. 6. Launch a freelance copywriting business. ChatGPT helps you draft ad copy emails and product descriptions faster than ever before. Brands are paying premium rates for persuasive writing that drives sales and engagement. You can refine AI-generated drafts to sound human and align with each client's vision. Offer packages like launch campaigns, landing pages, or full email sequences for clients. Freelancing platforms make it easy to find businesses needing copywriting at scale. High-value projects often pay hundreds, meaning just a few jobs can hit daily income goals. The secret is mastering prompts that create tailored and high-converting copy outputs. Over time, you can turn freelance work into an agency offering AI-powered marketing services. Copywriting remains one of the most profitable ways to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. 7. Build subscription-based newsletters. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, curate insights, and draft engaging newsletters fast. Choose niches like investing, health, productivity, or emerging tech with strong reader demand. Offer free editions to grow an audience, then charge for premium content and insights. Tools automate sending, while AI keeps your newsletter consistent and valuable weekly. With a few thousand subscribers at small fees, you can surpass 500 a day quickly. Monetization grows through ads, affiliate links, and digital products offered to readers. AI can also help segment audiences and personalize content to boost engagement rates. The newsletter model builds long-term authority and recurring income around expertise. Starting requires minimal cost but rewards discipline and smart content positioning. 8. Create AI-powered online courses. Online education is booming, and ChatGPT simplifies course creation and scaling globally. It helps you design outlines, write lessons, and create quizzes or scripts for videos fast. Choose topics you know or research trending niches where learners are seeking solutions. Host courses on platforms like Udemy or build your own site for better control of revenue. Add AI-generated workbooks and templates to increase value and attract more students. Use ChatGPT to draft ads, sales pages, and promotional emails that convert effectively. Once established, this model creates semi-passive income while building your authority. Courses combined with communities or coaching can multiply your earnings massively. 9. Offer AI prompt engineering services. Companies want customized prompts that produce better AI results for their specific needs. You can design optimized prompts for customer support, creative writing, or data analysis. This emerging field pays well because efficient prompts save businesses huge amounts of time. Bundle services by offering prompt libraries and tutorials tailored to each client's niche. ChatGPT helps test and refine prompts until they produce consistent, high-quality outputs. 10. Build a personal AI brand. Turn ChatGPT into a long-term brand that showcases your expertise in using AI effectively. Share tips, case studies, and success stories across platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and blogs. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate deals, and premium consulting packages worldwide. Create AI tool reviews and tutorials to attract an audience of professionals and creators. Offer group coaching and memberships for people learning how to earn with AI themselves. Now you know how to turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine that works for you in 2025. If this inspired you, hit like and subscribe for more ways to earn with AI tools. Drop a comment and share which method you want to try first, or ask your questions below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guides to help you build income with the future of technology.